Welcome back, everyone. Got another hard reset for you. Today we are doing the BLU G33. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is, I'll show you how to do a hard reset on this. If you haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton of hard resets and teardowns coming up and we'd appreciate that. But otherwise, let's get into this one. So we have a pattern here. We don't know what it is. First thing we want to do is turn off the phone. You can just hold the phone. So you have to hold volume up and power at the same time. And we'll turn it off. You can also pull the battery out and then wait a couple, wait like 5 seconds or so and put it back in, and that way the phone just won't automatically restart that way as well. So let's get this turned off. Once the phone is off, what we want to do is we're going to hold volume up. Let's show you guys right here. We got volume up, volume down, and power. And we're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. I'm going to start by holding volume up first, and then I'll hold volume, or then I'll hit the power button. Once the phone turns on, you can let go of power, but keep holding the volume up. So I let go of power, I'm just holding volume up now. And we get our reset menu. We want to use the volume buttons to scroll, the power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button, confirm, hit the power button. Deleting, done. So now we can either reboot or power off. And in this case, I'm just going to power it off. And that's it. If you hit reboot, it will load you to the welcome screen, and then from there you can navigate the phone back to the home screen and set it up how it was when it was new. If you guys are looking for something specific that you're having trouble with, drop a comment. We'll try to get that up for you, sooner than later. And otherwise, like, share, subscribe, all that great stuff. We appreciate all the support. Thanks for watching. Until the next one.